Welcome back. We have got some amazing photographers. Don't forget
Yeah,
to
that
chime
was a
those
pretty
in.
picture.
Go to Nebraska.tv and chime all your pictures right there. All right, so we're in the kitchen making
A chicken spaghetti bake. Easy peasy. We have, and it's
for
just a
everybody
dump and
but
bake.
us.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know it. Okay. My question is, as soon as you dump spaghetti into anything, you know, wet like this, they're gonna. I wonder how this. Does anyone know how these would unclump? Because when you put them in boiling water, you put a little bit of oil in them, and they don't clump. But anyways, this is what the recipe calls for.
Yep.
This is 2 cups of chicken broth. We have a can of cream of mushroom. Could you do that a little bit louder? Can of cream of mushroom soup. We have a can of petite diced tomatoes.
Do you want the peppers in there?
Yes, peppers
Okay.
go in there. We have some green pepper. We have some chopped up onions. And I am cutting our chicken tenderloin.
And what do we preheat the oven to? Because somebody forgot to do that.
425.
Okay, let me just.
Yes. So it's easy to do, and really you just put everything in here, and who doesn't like chicken and who doesn't like spaghetti? So there's the easy peasy looking recipe with the ingredients.
You want to?
And then we're going to add some cheese to this.
Do you want me to start cutting chicken then too?
Yes. Could you help me cut some of these?
There's nothing I love more.
What did you say? I couldn't understand what you said.
Nothing, Carol.
There's the instructions. You're just going to whisk together the broth, the soup, until it's smooth. Then you add your chicken, your spaghetti. You're going to add your tomato. We need to add some garlic too. Some pepper. You add a little bit of salt and pepper, and also a little bit of cheese.
You just put it. You just kind of dump it in your thing, mix it together, and then bake it.
Yes, but then you do have to after 40 minutes. You bake it at 425 for 40 minutes, and then you're going to stir it because you want to make sure that your spaghetti noodles are covered with enough of the chicken broth, so they're going to cook as well. And then you're going to keep it uncovered for about 10 more minutes, and then you want to just check it and stir it and add some more cheese, and then when the cheese is melted, it's dinner time.
I've noticed that your family really must like chicken because a lot of your recipes include chicken.
They do.
Yeah.
It's just that they don't.
Well, that's fine. I mean,
I don't have any other recipes.
I've noticed that I like beef.
Yeah,
my husband's a hog farmer, and we have a lot of pork, but
they like beef too.
Yeah, but anyway, just thought I would throw that out there.
Okay, how does that look on
I think you're looking
Does that
really
look like
ooh,
enough
yeah, like
chicken?
a lot of chicken in there.
Yeah, you just cut it up into bite-sized
It's amazing.
pieces.
Chicken just multiplies itself.
Does it do that?
I can't.
While it's cooking, it just doubles.
Okay, what do we put the cheese in?
When do we put the cheese in? So we put that chicken, tomato. Oh, can you add some garlic?
I would love to.
Here,
please.
Well, here we do have a spoon present. Teaspoon of garlic we're going to put into there.
Wow.
And then a half a cup of cheese.
Ooh. Did you say a teaspoon?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And then we're going to spray our pan.
I really need to wash my hands.
So our chicken does it. Chicken, oh yeah, that looks deliciosos. Now, I've got to mix this all together.
Do you know why I always say it's a winter chicken dinner?
Why?
Because this might just be a winter chicken dinner.
Yes, and the key comment there was it just might be.
Just might be.
We're gonna put some pepper in there.
And then we add the cheese. How much cheese did you
Half
say?
a cup of cheese.
That's not very much.
Add a little bit of salt. Well, because we're going to add more once it gets
so
done
half a
baking.
cup. This is 4 cups.
Yeah. So I don't know how else to mix
I
that.
think I would have made. I don't know if I would have put the spaghetti in there at that time.
I think I would have waited to the end.
But now we know.
Now we know. That's why we do it first for you, friends.
Aren't you lucky?
As our friend Connie would say, now you know the rest of the story. Okay, then you mix all that up
Connie
really
would
good.
say that, or would Paul Harvey?
Paul Harvey would.
Okay.
And Connie. And then look, you dump.
Well, we did that.
And all you do is you just got to make sure that your chicken, your pasta is pretty much covered in liquid.
Okay, because it has to cook.
Yes.
So it's at 425 for 40 minutes.
Yes, and you cover this really, really tightly with tin foil. And cover it, and then for 40 minutes, then you check it, you stir it a little bit, And then if your pasta looks good, you put some cheese on it, cover it for
Ooh, I
about
bet it
10
is
more
good.
minutes.
This might be
and
what I make
there
take to
you have
church
it.
on Sunday. Very nice.
Chicken spaghetti bake.
Very nice.
There you go. That's it, friends.
Okay, we'll share this recipe on our website at nebraska.tv. Just click on the menu. We're coming back with more of NTV's Good Life. Stay right where you are, friends.